Exercise 5.1, first main, third one. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, it costs around, something it is missing here, it costs around 150 rupees for the first meter and raises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So what they are saying, for digging a well, how they are charging for every meter, means for the first meter they are charging 150 rupees. So and from then onwards they for each and every meter from the first meter they keep on adding 50 rupees to that. So what will be the sequence? For the first meter it is 150 rupees. For the second meter what they will do, they will add 50 rupees to this. So 150 plus 50 it is 200. For the next meter again 50 rupees, that is 200 plus 50, it is 250 rupees. Again for the next meter what they will do, they will add 50 rupees, that is 250 plus 50, it is 300 rupees. So this is what the sequence we got. Here the first term is 150 and what is the difference? Let us find. Difference equals to second term minus first term, that is 200 minus 150. 200 minus 150 is 50 rupees. Similarly, the second difference, how much it is? 250 minus 200. It is again 50 rupees. Again, the third difference is 300 minus 250. So, how much is that? Again 50 rupees. As the difference is same throughout the sequence, we can say that the given sequence is in AP, that is D1 equals to D2 equals to D3. That's why it is an AP. Now coming to the fourth problem in the first main. So what is the fourth problem they gave? The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. So the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So what is the principal here? Principal is rupees 10,000 rupees. And rate of interest how much they gave? 8%. And it is compounded annually. So for the first year it will be, the amount will be, for the first year I am taking the amount as A1. So it will be, what is the formula for the compound interest? Amount equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. N means, so this is the formula. So for the first year, N will be 1. So that is P equals to 10,000 into 1 plus R is 8, 8 by 100 whole power 1. So how much is that? 10,000 into, what is that? LCM 100. So 100 into 1 is 100 plus 8. As the power is 1, it will be repeated once. So this can be written as 10,000 into 108 by 100. So 2 zeros will get cancelled. So you are going to get rupees 10800. So for the first year this much amount he got. For the second year what will happen? Amount will be equals to the same amount. For the same amount we are calculating 1 plus R is 8 by 100 whole power N. N is how much? 2. So that is 10,000 into, so LCM is 100, 100 plus 8 whole power 2. So that is 10,000 into, how much is this? 108 by 100 whole square. Whole square means that should be multiplied twice. So 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 zeros again got cancelled. So how much we got? 108 into 108. At least we will find 3 terms so that if the difference is same, then we will proceed for the fourth term. So how much is that? 108 into 108. Let us calculate 108 into 108. 8 8 is 64. 6, 8 1 8, 0 0 0 8 0 1. So 4 6 8 2 16 1 1. So it is 11,664. For the second time we got the second amount as 11,664. Now coming to the so we got here three terms. For the first term we got only two terms. One is A1, the second one is A2. Now we should calculate minimum three terms, means we will find the difference. So the third term, that is the third amount in the third year. So how much we will be getting? 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole cube, as it is for the third term. So 10,000 into, if I take the LCM 100 plus 8, it is 108 whole cube. This whole cube. So how much? 10,000 into 108 by 100. So as it is 3 times 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. So how much? 0 0 get cancelled, 2 zeros get cancelled. Now 108 into 108 we got something around 11,664. So 11,664 into 108. How much it is? 4 8s are 32, 8 6 are 48, 48 49 50, 48 49 50 51, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 5, it is 13 53, 5, 8 1s 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 8 1s 8 plus 1 9. So remaining zeros, 1 4s are 4, 1 6 are 6, 6 1 1. So how much you will be getting? 2 1 7 9 15 2. So it will be 1 2 5 9 7 1 2 divided by 100. So this is 1259.7.12. So this much amount we got. We got A1 as, let us write all those three terms what we got. 10,800. 10,800. The second one is 11664. Is it correct? 11664. Yeah. And the third one we got it as 12597.12. So let us find the difference. D1 equals to 11664 minus 10800. So 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Here 0. So 864 we got. For the find the second difference, 12597.12 minus 11664. So let us find 12597.12. 11664. 11664. 2 1 7 minus 4 it is 3. 3. 15 minus 6 9. So that's all. How much you got? 933.12. Now by seeing, so the first difference we got it as 864 and the second difference we got it as 933.12. So what we got, D1 is not equal to D2. That means it is not an AP.